Everyday critical operations rely on disconnected paper records, slow, fragile, and impossible to track in real time. And with no visibility, vital information simply slips away. Manual entry breaks connectivity. One distraction, one mistake, and the process is compromised. Disconnected systems and procedural lapses slow maintenance, increase breakdowns, and compromise safety. And when issues arise, the lack of connectivity can bring everything to a halt. But what if your workforce was truly connected? The Connected Worker by Jaaji comes to life when machinery, people, and data are seamlessly integrated, and an app provides a single unified view. It connects all frontline workforce with a unified app for seamless connectivity and digital workflows. And now, let's see how the industry leaders who chose Jaaji approach the situation. For example, a high vibration alert is triggered on one of the units. The maintenance activity is created in CMMS. The engineer requests a permit and receives approval from the shift in charge, with the entire process being seamless and digital. Loadout process and isolation status are also updated online immediately. An interlock bypass request is created, reviewed, and approved for 45 minutes. The maintenance team executes the work while findings and spares used are updated in real time. The work is completed and inspected, the field operator countersigns the permit, and the area is cleared. Loadout is removed by an authorized person, followed by a trial run. The permit is closed digitally, the work order is closed in CMMS, and all insights are captured for future reference. With real-time data, operations keep moving. No more paperwork, just instant access to everything you need. Clear instructions, confident actions, all in one intuitive digital platform. Boost productivity, enhance safety, drive efficiency, together. Connected Worker by Jaaji. See it in action.